And here we are at TateTech's 4th of July fireworks.
Sparklers need a lot of light.
And this final black diamond is all that we have. And we are nicknaming it the Talibuster.
Are you ready?
So, yeah, we are ready.
Let it fly.
Taylor, let it fly. Hey Taliban, you better start to cry.
Guess what? Krakatoa! Crack?
Fly high!
What happened to my stick?
Al Qaeda or bust?
That is too cool.
Fuck on that! Osama bin Laden!
Did we get two? They were $2 a piece, right?
Yeah,
So there was a 2-pack for $4.
yeah. That symbolizes American pride.
Light on. To over here.
And that was the grand finale of
Wait, don't
TateTech's
turn it off.
4th of July
Show
fireworks.
all of our battlefield. What happened to my sparkler?
And in order to just keep killing some time on here, this is the finale, and this is the result of our handiwork. All this scrap from the battlefield. All these fireworks risked their lives and dedicated their lives and lost their lives for our entertainment.
How did it go up with it?
I found another pack of satellites.
Oh, yeah.
And so,
Sparkler went up with it.
once all this,
It must have been.
hopefully this will look like Iraq once that missile hits.
And then I threw it and it landed right here. It's gone.
So, good night, everybody, and God bless America. And don't forget, have a happy and safe 4th of July.
And don't do anything else.
I am Tate Gibbs from TateTech, and good night.